Hi viewers, in this video we will discuss about what is a server and its types, what is DNS and what is DHCP. First, what is a server and its types? The server may be a computer or a device that provides services to another system in a network. So now we will see some common types of servers that we use. Web server. As per the client request, it provides web pages in response. Every web server will have an IP address and a domain name. Application server. It provides business logic for an application program for a distributed network of a computer. Proxy server. It acts like an intermediary between a client and a server. Mail server. It receives incoming and outgoing emails from local users and remote senders. DNS, domain name system. For suppose if the user wants to visit a Facebook. So, in the address bar of the browser, user types www.facebook.com. When a user requests for a Facebook page in a browser, it is sent to company or local DNS. If it doesn't find address, it is sent to ISP DNS. Even if there also it doesn't find address, it is sent to root DNS and it finds IP address and it returns to computer. Now the Facebook page will be displayed to the user. So this is how the DNS works. The next is DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is mainly used for dynamic IP addressing configuration for networks. There are two types of address. One is static, other is dynamic. Where static IP address doesn't change and dynamic address is used in many devices. When devices are connected by a network, IP addresses are assigned. In a network, DHCP provides updating IP addresses and other configurations. This information is transferred from DHCP server to DHCP client by exchanging messages, which is known as DHCP conversation or DHCP transaction. So here is the diagram of how the DHCP works. So the first one we'll discuss about is DHCP discovery. It is the first DHCP message that interacts DHCP client and server. The message is sent by client that connects to local subnet. It uses 255.255.255.255 IP address as destination and 0.0.0.0 IP address as source for message broadcasting. DHCP offer. It reserves an IP address for client when DHCP server receives an IP lease request from client and extends IP lease offer by sending DHCP offer message to client. The message will have client's MAC address, IP address of server that offers subnet mask, lease duration, and IP address of DHCP server that makes offer. DHCP request. The DHCP client accepts an offer and DHCP request datagram is broadcasted, where DHCP request datagram has server IP address that issued offer and DHCP client's MAC address. It requests DHCP server for assigning a DHCP client with an IP address and TCP IP configurations, etc. DHCP ACK, that is DHCP acknowledgement. For DHCP client, the DHCP ACK includes IP address and subnet mask that includes information of TCP IP configurations like default gateway IP address, DNS server IP address, WINS server IP address, etc. A part of this, we have DHCP NACK message, that is negative acknowledgement. When server responds to this message, when DHCP client requests an IP address that can't be used, so client must start the DHCP lease process again. DHCP decline message. The DHCP decline packet is sent to server if DHCP client determines DHCP IP configuration parameters are invalid and client must start the DHCP lease process again. DHCP release message. DHCP release packet is sent to a server by DHCP client to release IPv4 address and cancels remaining lease. DHCP inform message. DHCP clients uses DHCP inform to get DHCP options. This is about the servers, the DNS and DHCP. So thank you. We'll see you in the next.
For more videos, please download our application Cyber Future Tech from Google Play Store.